This student is trying not to fall asleep in class, but he is so sleepy that his head begins turning into bowling balls. The teacher was so boring that everyone in the class had already fallen asleep, but the boy knows that he will get kicked out if he doesn't listen, so he tries everything in his power to stay awake. Unfortunately, he played Elden Ring for 15 hours yesterday, and knowing that staying awake will be almost impossible, he takes his pen and pokes it into his leg to help keep him awake. The teacher turns around and sees that the boy is the only one that's still listening, but without saying a word, he continues writing on the whiteboard. The boy is so tired that he begins dreaming while still being awake. He starts imagining his classmates as trees when suddenly everything begins fading away and his head falls on the table. But when he lifts it back up, everything begins changing art styles and suddenly he doesn't feel sleepy anymore. He starts running and trying to wake everyone up. When it turns out that he has fallen asleep, the teacher sees that everyone in his class is sleeping, so he walks over to his desk and sits down. And within 5 seconds, he also falls asleep.